How to change phone number in Uber, or how to change your Uber account phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number or how you can update your phone number in Uber. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quickly with the video. Simply open up your Uber app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, here on the home page you can see you'll get an interface like this. Now here at the bottom of the screen you can see 4 different options that says home, services, activity and account. Simply tap on the account option that is shown up at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, what you want to do is you'll get various options. Simply tap on the settings option there. Simply tap on settings, and once you tap on settings you can see that the first at the top it'll show your profile details. There you can see my profile name, my profile phone number and my email. Simply tap on the profile information that you get at the top of your screen and you can see basic info there. Simply tap on the phone number option that you get there, and if you tap on it you can delete it and you can switch your country as well, your phone number, and you can simply enter in your phone number and you can tap on update. Once you tap on update it'll send the code to your phone number, and once you enter in the confirmation code you'll be able to change your phone number. So this way you can change your phone number in Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.